and today we are transforming from this to this. Yes, honey. We are doing a sleek ponytail on natural hair. Stay tuned. To start things off, this is everything I'll be using in the video. I'll leave a list on the side. So we are starting with freshly washed hair. This is my natural hair texture. So I am going to start things off by sectioning all my hair into smaller sections. As you can see, it's pretty thick. So I like to start things off by doing sections. It just makes everything much easier. I would also like to say I am not a professional, so don't come for me. This is just how I like to do my hair, how I like to do my ponytails. Okay. Now that I've sectioned my hair, I am going to start by that first little section, the one that's out. I start by combing it, making sure it's nice and detangled. I like to start at the bottom of my hair, then comb up. Make sure I get all the tangles out, knots out. Just make sure it's nice and prepped. Now you see me blow drying my hair. I like to use low heat. I don't like to use a lot of strong heat on my natural hair. I like to just make sure that's just the right amount of heat to get the job done, but not so excessive. Child, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Oh, my arms were burning. I'm just trying to work through this hair, make sure it's all dry, all good, prepped, and ready to go. I am going to do the same thing on the other side. Start with little sections and just blow dry. As you can see, I'm making sure to comb through the hair while I'm blow drying it out. Basically, I am doing this to make it longer, straighten out my shrinkage, and give a more blown out look. The look that we're trying to do is straight overall, so this just makes everything much easier. Right here, you just see me going through my hair, making sure it is fully detangled and all blow dried. Yes, honey, I am going through, making sure my hair is completely dry. You see her, she is fully blown out. Yes. So now that my hair is blown out, fully dried, I am going to hot comb it. Again, I am starting off by sectioning my hair. It just makes everything overall easier than just going in and starting. So I'm breaking my hair down into separate sections. I start off by combing out the hair, just making sure, ooh, child, it was painful, but I make sure my hair is detangled, comb out each section before I start. Before I hot comb my hair, I like to spray some heat protectant all over, just making sure it's nice and protected. So you see me working that hot comb through the hair, making sure to get every piece, and I'm doing it slow so it's nice and straight. I like to go over the hair a few times, make sure it's nice and straight, looking good. You know, get that nice hang time, all that. I'm going in again with some heat protectant, making sure it is sprayed and worked in to my scalp. I like to break the section into smaller sections just so I can really work through my hair. I don't straighten my hair often as it's natural, and I want it to just grow and do its thing. So when I do go and do these type of sleek or straighter styles, I go in and literally make sure, go section by section and try to get all my hair straightened out, hot combed out, make sure to really go through the hair because I have a lot and it's thick hair. As you can see, I'm working that hot comb right through the hair. I'm halfway done. I'm basically just making sure that I'm getting all my hair nice and straight. Look, stiff where? Where's it stiff at? Not here. Don't play with her. All right, so I'm going to do what I did to that side to my other side of the hair. And boom. She is hot combed. Yes. Okay. Swing it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Auntie. I was feeling the fantasy. Okay. So now we are going to straighten it out. I know I just hot combed my hair, but for this sleek look, for it to look real snatched, we got to get it even more straight. So you see me again sectioning out that hair, just getting it ready and prepped to go over it and straighten it. She is sectioned and ready to go. Yes, sir. So because I don't want to use so much heat, I'm literally just going over my hair probably 2 to 3 times. I don't want to use that much heat. I do have it on a very low setting. So we are going to work through that hair. Just like when I was hot combing, I made sure to go through section by section, piece by piece, and just make sure that it is fully straightened out. We don't want any poofy pieces. We want this style to be nice and sleek. I'm just finishing up this section, making sure that is done, and then transforming, boom, fully flat iron. So right now I am combing through the hair, making sure it is straight, no tangles, no nothing, and we are going to start molding this hair. I am using Murray's Pomade. Starting off with a little bit, I'm just going to put that all over my hairline. I use it in the front, and then you'll see me using the back in a few minutes. I love this pomade because it's not water-based. When I get a water-based product, it usually reverts my hair right back to its natural state. It starts getting curly, it starts getting coily. So this pomade works so good. As you can see, I'm just brushing it in, making sure it's worked in there nice and sleek. I'm going to start forming my ponytail. Got a little goop goop. I'm going to put it in the back, get them kitchens right and sleek. I'm just brushing everything in, making sure, closing my shower curtain apparently was irritating me. I don't know. Anyways, I am forming my ponytail, making sure it is tight and right. So, since I have a lot of hair, I like to do 2 ponytails. And then after the ponytails are up and connected and everything, I'll use 1 scrunchie just to connect the 2. So, as I was just saying, doing the first ponytail right here, making sure it is nice and secured. Gotta do a shaky shake. So it's my second ponytail. I am going back in, I think with a little bit more Murray's, just to make sure it is sleek and straight back there. I am going to brush my hair up, make sure I get all my hair into the ponytail. I don't want any flyaways or any bumps and lumps, anything like that. So I'm just making sure it is fully straight and going into this ponytail. For added protection, I am using my Got to Be Glue spray just for extra hold. As you can see, when I first started spraying my hair, I think I had some Got to Be Glue spray on the actual like nozzle, so it was like spraying every which way. So I'm looking like, what is going on? But anyways, I basically spray the Got to Be Glue on my hair just so it is holding and it is straight. I go back over the hair with the blow dryer so I won't revert back to my curly hair. You're seeing me brush that in, baby, because we want this hair sleek. We want it straight, no flyaways. Now I'm going to use my Rapid styling strips. I wrap my hair piece by piece just to make sure that ponytail is holding, molded, and secured. Typically, I'll leave the strips on for a while, probably like 10 to 15 minutes, but for video's sake, I think I generally left it on for like 5 minutes. So now that my hair is wrapped, I'm just putting my ponytail into a little tiny bun, and we're going to get the ponytail hair and attach it on there. So I am prepping the pony, just giving a few brushes, making sure to brush the wraparound part too. So I got this ponytail from my local beauty supply store. It is 18 inches in black and a yaki texture. It has 2 combs. Well, actually I have 3, but the third one broke off, but that's okay. I used the combs to anchor the hair. So I'm putting the ponytail on. I like to hold my bun and the ponytail hair when I'm doing the hair, just so it will stay put. So you guys will see I have this little wraparound part. This is the part where you literally wrap it around your ponytail so it blends your hair with the ponytail hair. I was having a little bit of difficulty, but your girl got it together. So I'm just starting off wrapping it around, looking in the mirror, making sure none of the ponytail hair is coming out or it's like showing. And what I like to do, I use a little bit of Got to Be Glue, spray it on the wraparound part, and then continue to wrap it. This just makes it more secure and makes it hold a lot better. I'm spraying a little bit more of that Got To Be glue spray. Right here, it's optional if you want to put bobby pins in just to make your ponytail a little bit more secure. I typically do put bobby pins in just so that ponytail is not going anywhere, honey. Yes, your girl is feeling herself. Yes, baby. So this is how the ponytail is looking after I take the strips off. I don't know about y'all, but I love me some baby hair. So we are using the Style Booster Edge Control. And since this is water-based, we're literally just putting on the baby hairs, the edges, exactly where we want the gel to be. I'm not going to put it all over the hair because it will make my hair right back curly. So I'm literally just putting a little amount on my edges. Like I said, I'm using the littlest of little amount. Just really want to focus on my little swoops, my little edges. This is the completed look with my baby hairs. Yes. You see how sleek it is? Super cute. And boom, there she is. This is actually the next day. I'm just showing you guys how my ponytail held up. I have my makeup fully done. Look at that. Sleeky sleek, honey. Yes. She is so cute. I love it. Just giving you a 360 of the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I will catch you in the next video.